Hello everyone! Today I will share a noodle recipe that is especially loved by the elderly and children. A 60-year-old uncle from the countryside bought 3 houses in the city with this delicacy. First, prepare a piece of meat. The type of meat is up to you. Slice it thinly and put it on a plate for later use. Cut a handful of beans into long sections and put them in a bowl for later use. Prepare a peeled potato and cut it into dice. Prepare 10 grams of ginger and cut it into slices. Cut a little green onions, put them in a bowl for later use, and prepare 3 garlic cloves to smash and chop into minced pieces. Put them on a plate for later use and cut an appropriate amount of garlic leaves into sections. Next, add a little oil to the pot, put in anise and peppercorns. Fry them on low heat for fragrance, then remove them and throw away. Then add the meat and stir fry until fragrant. After that, add the green onions and ginger. If you like spicy food, you can add chili peppers and continue to stir fry until aromatic. Then add beans and potatoes and stir fry evenly. After that, we start seasoning. Add an appropriate amount of light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Continue to stir fry evenly to make it fragrant. Then add 2 spoons of salt and a spoon of chicken bouillon powder to stir fry evenly. Then add a little water and cook for 3 minutes to allow the aroma of the ingredients to fully blend. After 3 minutes, scoop out a bowl of soup, spread the noodles directly on the ingredients, then pour the soup evenly on the noodles, cover the lid, and simmer. You can use the noodles or pasta from your local area. If you want to use noodles that are difficult to cook, you need to cook them half-cooked in clean water in advance and then put them into this pot. Such as spaghetti needs to be cooked half-cooked in clean water in advance. I share exotic dishes every day. If you like it, please subscribe and leave your country and city in the comment area. You will soon be able to have the special ingredients in the video without leaving home. Turn it over after 8 minutes to let the noodles fully taste. Cover the lid and simmer for another 2 minutes, and finally sprinkle with minced garlic and garlic leaves and stir it evenly. Wow, it's so fragrant. There are vegetables, meat, and staple foods. The children eat bowl after bowl. The taste is really great. The method is very simple. Hurry up and make it for your lover.